Hi, it's another easy LeetCode problem. Move zeros. Here we'd be given an array and we need to move all the zeros at the end but keep the non-zero elements item in order. Okay, let's explain the code. What I'm going to do here is if any element is 0, I am going to first delete it and append it at the end. And for that I am using a loop, and if I have added the condition if it's equal to 0, I will delete the index and add it at the end. And also I am going to modify the length or the ending index by 1 and then continue, else I'm going to increase the I index. Okay, let's run this with test cases. Thank you.